So this is where I'm at now. I put the shell back together. I polished the whole thing. And what I've done, there's a plastic plexiglass, plexiglass here for this little display window. And it's right here. The old one is right here. It's made out of plastic. And it's super scratched up. You can't tell on the camera, but it's really, really scratched up. So what I decided to do, I bought myself some glass cutter, and I went down and I picked up some glass. And what I've done is I made my own new display window plexiglass. So it's the same thing, but this was made out of glass. You can tell the difference. This is very opaque, and this is very clean, obviously, because it's brand new. So I put the new one in there. I made two. Looks a lot cleaner now. So if you are thinking about rebuilding your National 50T, you might want to consider replacing the front bezel or plastic that's on there. The one I had, like I said, it's very opaque. It's super scratched up. You can't tell on the camera, but it is. And what I've done is I just got a piece of glass. It used to be a picture frame. I got me a $3.50 glass cutter, lined it up, scored it, snapped it, sanded the edges just to make sure I don't scratch myself or cut myself. And it's very easy to take off. It's very easy to take off the plexiglass. Just two screws and a little snap thing in the back, and just pop it out, and you take it out and you put the new glass in there, and voila, you get a new nice looking display. Anyways, this is where I'm at now. I've like I mentioned, I'm putting it back together, slowly but surely, making sure everything fits the way it's supposed to fit, making sure all the knobs are oiled and lubed. So let me bring you up. Okay, so this is where I'm at now. I populated all the tubes now. I tested all the vacuum tubes, and they are in working condition. They're all within specs. Nothing is shorted. Everything measures within tolerance as far as the tubes. The tube checkers, everything works fine. So the tubes are good. There's the back ones back there. The tube is 6V6. And that's a 5V4. So anyways, this is where I'm at. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you the progress I'm making. I got to put the cover. Before I do that, I want to align it. I want to go ahead and go through the lining process. Oh, and the knobs, they're soaking right now. I'm cleaning them up. So they're soaking, and I'm putting it back together hopefully tomorrow. And I will make another video of the aligning process. Okay, well, that's about it for today. Oh, you can see all the caps back there that I took out of this unit, and all the extra tubes that I had laying around. Okay, well, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye.